Okay, next thing will be to add some dying animation to our enemy. That will make our game more prettier. And well, let's go in the Battle Monsters pack. Let's find our dragon. Well, if you're using other uh, models, you will go to that specific folder, of course. So let's find the well, it has die back, die forward, left and right. So we have some variety to choose from. I will choose die forward, I think. Well, die back is also fine. So no matter which one we'll choose. So let's, for example, choose die back. And we will select this animation clip of the die back and we will drag and drop it into the dragon, which is enemy. So let's open animator and we have this new animation clip. Let's call this one die. I will drag it here and I will create another parameter. Let's create trigger. Let's call this one dead. And well, our enemy can die from basically any state. So here we have the any state option. We'll create transition from the any state. And as a parameter, well, let's make transition duration to be 0. And as a parameter and condition, we will choose not in range, dead. Now let's open our enemy controller script. Let's scroll down. Here, when we are taking damage and when our health is less or equal to 0, we should play our die animation. So we will say anim.setTrigger. In brackets and quotation marks, we will say name of the parameter. In my case, it's dead. So type it correctly again. And also, we are destroying our enemy immediately. So just to see our die animation better, we can say destroy game object, comma 2F, which will mean that it will be destroyed after 2 seconds. We can obviously increase this number later if we don't like it. So let's now, basically everything is ready. We can hit play. And let's kill this dragon. And yeah, indeed, it's dead. And this is how easily you can add some die animation to the enemy. You can use also die forward and other die animations if you like. I like this die back, but yeah,